Welcome back to Bullseye. Today we're going to be doing a bit of automotive, that's the right word, automotive, isn't it? But you know, I'd say a bit of car work. One of the guys that does some of our filming, he has decided that he needs a Cambelt, so we decided we're going to do that. He's also diagnosed his own car. It runs out of power on acceleration, and he says it's the spark plugs. But I know, as most people do know, that work on cars, it's going to be a core pack on something like this, more than likely. But yeah, so we're going to do a Cambelt and water pump today. I shall see you in a bit when we're ready to work on it.
Oh no.
Actually, I can like lower that, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, still do the same job. What are you doing now, James?
Just supporting the engine. Pick it up on the edge of the sump. Take the weight off.
What are we doing? I'm doing this clamp, this engine mount.
Yeah. Brian wants to get in there and have a look. Poor effort, James.
Really?
Well, how rusty I am. These are the engine mount bolts. We've got to remove the engine mount so we can get access to the Cambelt cover, and obviously move the engine up and down, which makes it easier for us to work on. And I'm not in the ideal clothing, and the jack Lee's got seems to be seeping. Now let's start moving the Cambelt cover. I think there's 6s, if I remember rightly. I might be wrong, probably am. No, there's 7s. And these should be clipped inside the belt so they don't actually come out. Clip on the back, or they should be shouldered. Again, it has been 2 years since I've actually worked on a car properly, so I'm very rusty, like this car. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and because it's Ryan's car, we ain't got to worry about putting all the bolts back.
Have you got any left over? You just throw them behind you?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. That's right,
anything up to 17 mils, fine, just throw them. Anything over 17 mil is obviously something
quite important.
It could be important.
Yeah, but we ain't got nothing that's 17 mils, so we ain't got to put any of them back.
No, well, just throw them.
Fly them, aren't we?
God, I seriously hope that's all not true.
Yeah,